Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can update fitness app on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write a comment and also put likes under the video. And let us get started with you. And in order for you to update the fitness app, you will need to open the App Store. So where you downloaded the app is where you update it. And here in the App Store app, you'll need to search for fitness in the search box. When you find that app, click on it. And here, where I have it open, you'll have the word update. Click on it to start the process of updating the app. This process doesn't really take a long time. About a minute can take this process longer, like about 5 minutes if you have an unstable internet connection. Or if you have, for example, a lot of memory on your phone, or if you have a lot of information on the app. But basically, the process doesn't take very long. And once the update process is complete, you can open the fitness app from the App Store and continue using it. Or you can open the app from your work screen on your iPhone. Don't worry, after the update process, no data, no information disappears, just the app is updated to the latest version a little bit. This is the way, friends, you can update fitness app on your iPhone. I hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.